I am going to show this radiant diffuser today. This is made by Charu, one of my macro photography fellow. He has started to making this kind of radiant diffuser for himself, and he has presented one of his mini radiant diffuser for testing and also for my macro photography. Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. Today I will be doing a caterpillar photography using a mini radiant diffuser. Before I show you the DIY mini radiant diffuser, let me show you this one. This one is a radiant diffuser. I bought it from a Indian company called Radiant Diffuser. You can see the mark over here is a radiant diffuser from an Indian company. This is very big. The trouble with this large size radiant diffuser in outdoor photography, when I approach the subject, it hits the leaves and the branches of the trees and the subject goes away. So, it is very difficult to use this large big size radiant diffuser in outdoor setting. For indoor it is alright, no problem with this. I have made several mini radiant diffuser and also big size radiant diffuser myself. Very simple one, and I have uploaded plenty of videos in my channel. I will put the link in the description below for the making of DIY radiant diffuser. But today I will be presenting another mini radiant diffuser. This one is very small. You can compare side by side. This is the small one, this is the large one. This one is mini radiant diffuser made by one of my fellow macro photographer. His name is Charu Prince. You can see his name and logo on this radiant diffuser. Mr. Charu is a fine art student and his workmanship is so nice, so beautiful. His finishing is excellent. I will test this one on my setup today. I will show you the setup now. The good thing about this radiant diffuser, I will show you, I can extend. I can move the front part back and forth about couple of inch, so that if my lens is longer, I can extend it further in the front. So, let me fix this one on my setup. Let me show you the setup. I will be using a Sony a6700, the APC camera, and the lens is Sony f4 70-200 zoom lens. This is a macro zoom lens, and I will put the radiant diffuser on this Godox V350 flash. So, let me fix it and show you. It is very simple and very convenient. Now, the mini radiant diffuser is on the Godox flash. Let me show you the inside of this radiant diffuser. You can see inside, this is wrapped with the aluminum foil inside for reflection, and there is also LED lighting system to illuminate the radiant diffuser. And this is the front part, the diffuser part, that can be easily fixed on this reflector part. So, this is done, and let me extend a little bit because the lens is longer. Now, it is in perfect position now, you can see. So, the radiant diffuser fixed, the lighting is on, and now I will put the caterpillar on this stick. You can see there is a caterpillar in this box. It is a live caterpillar. While it is walking on this stick, I will take the snapshots. Now you can see the caterpillar is walking on the stick. Let me start taking pictures. Let me start the flash, and it's about the camera setting. I'll start with f8, which is my favorite f-stop for macro photography, and shutter speed is 1/160, ISO 100. With this stand, subject stand, I can move up and down. This also I made myself, and I can turn the subject 360-degree. Let me show you the background. I'll be using several leaves as a background for having a natural feeling. At the back is a green color leaf. I'm using flash strength of 1/4. Already I have taken about 50 shots in different angle, different positions while it is walking around this stick, and also I have taken some shots by holding it like this, bringing the subject back and forth to have focus and different angles. And also I have used different f-stop from f8 to f4. I have taken several shots, different f-stops. Let me show you the pictures from the display. See, different magnification, different size and different angles. I'm sure most of them will be very nice. Now I'm going to transfer all these pictures in Lightroom, edit little bit, and I'll show you the performance of this beautiful mini radiant diffuser made by Charo Prince, and he named it Charo Prince Diffuser. And let me tell you, if you love macro photography and if you want to make this type of radiant diffuser, it is very simple. This one is little bit difficult, no doubt, but if you are really serious about making of your own radiant diffuser, you can make it. It is not a big issue. If you want to buy some mini radiant diffuser from AK diffuser or single stick, it will be around $150. But this will cost nothing. These are all plastics and some lights, some diffuser sheets. So this is extremely cheap. You can make it very easily yourself. If you have any question to ask about this mini radiant diffuser or any macro photography system, please comment below. I'll give several links of making radiant diffuser down in the description. If you are already subscribed in my channel, and thank you for your support. If you are new in my channel, I will appreciate if you subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects, because I do upload plenty of videos on macro photography and many of DIY accessories like lighting systems, radiant diffuser, the rails, etc. in my channel. I'll be uploading many more videos in future on macro photography and other photography as well. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in my next video. Bye bye.